Insurance renewal is a time-bound activity. We make it easy for the automotive dealers to track, manage, and respond to customers whose vehicles are due for insurance renewal. Application is responsive on mobile devices. In effect, it allows users the freedom to work from home or office. User can automatically dial customers with click to call, send personalized SMS, email or WhatsApp messages, upload and share policy proposal or insurance quotations in PDF or Excel formats, book online or offline appointments, WhatsApp link for payment gateway, and drive online payments for policy renewal. Here's a quick demonstration of mobile CRM app. Upon login, data list can be accessed from the left panel. Dashboard gives the summary of metrics required to monitor the health of insurance renewal activities. Now, I'll use these filters to select the vehicles that are due for insurance renewal in this week. I'll click on this option to expand customer profile and review information of previous policy such as policy due date, IDV, NCB, and premium. From this 360-degree profile, I can dial customer by clicking this phone icon, send personalized SMS with payment link, refer vehicle's insurance history, and update interaction status of call, SMS, or email. Now I'll access another vehicle, book an online appointment for payment collection. I must select the right options for renewal type, insurance company, payment mode, appointment date, and time. Next, I get these options to save insurance quotation, select add-on cover, update nominee details, add remarks, and submit for appointment confirmation. There are many more useful workflows for the success of motor insurance renewal team. Should you have any questions, or you would like to share suggestions, feel free to reach us. We'll be happy to connect with you. Thank you.